Welcome back to Balabas
My
Gist.
people, no be small thing o. As e stand right now, they say that the Nigeria army don dey cry come outside o. Dey take the southeast make they join the military, especially the Igbo boys make they join the military. My people, the question remains: what of the one wey una don buy for inside southeast, tag them ESN? Innocent youth. So which youth are you people looking for? Now the one wey don buy, they go come out from their grave come join the military. I mean, na those one wey don run comot for southeast go another country because of things wey dey happen. About the one wey they don burn their house, they leave their house run comot for Nigeria. My people, we go play the videos make una watch as they take dey talk am before we go come back come continue. Stay tuned.
Enugu State had a slot of 200, about 200 persons, but they were able to fill up to 100. A lot of young men that really want to join the army, but for some of these sentiments being bandied around, some of them lack encouragement from the local government councils. We have come to get the buy-in of the grassroots politicians, our royal fathers, to help us to raise these numbers so that Enugu State can fill up their slots.
We are more interested now than ever because he has communicated in such a way that makes us understand that it is not just about contributing to the nation building. It is about investing in your own self by belonging to the force that binds the entire country. Those of us who are privileged to be the stewards at our various local governments will drive down this message back to our place.
Before now, our people used to think that joining army is of no benefit to our people. But with the message we got today, the sky is going to be our starting point.
Nigerians, I don't know if you have heard this one. This one is breaking out. This one are fresh, undiluted. So the Nigerian army, they beg the Eastern youth to join the military. They say come and join army. The Nigerian army is telling the youth from the east to join the military. Is it not funny to you? Bro, the seven I can't join army. Igbo youth, come and join the military. Come and join the military. That is what the Nigerian army is telling the Igbo youth. Why is the EFCC not saying Nigeria Igbo youth come and join the EFCC? Why is the NNPC not saying Igbo youth come and join NNPC? Why is the custom not also advertising and calling the Igbo youth to come and join a custom? Or is it just Nigerian army? Nigerian army is not about calling the Igbo youth to come and join army. The ones there, are they being treated well? When they treat the military, are they being treated well? Are the ones there giving their lives, are they being treated well? I have cases of military suffering in that 44 National Resource Hospital there. Those ones fighting for this country. Yes, so many of them are there suffering, buying drugs from their own pockets. This is not, I said it before, they came for me, the military debunk it. But what I was telling you in that video is fact. Those guys in the 44 Army Resource Hospital are buying drugs from their pockets, and now you're here calling other people to come and join. Bro, if the military is paying fine, US recruit foreigners. You know, because why? The pay is nice. They recruit foreigners. Foreigners join the military. In UK, in Ukraine, in other countries, even in a war zone, the foreigners join. Why? Because the pay is very lucrative, it's very sweet. So if your pay is very sweet, if the military pay is very sweet, who will not join? There's no point of you calling people to come and join. They will join without you even calling. Not this one that you are. How much is their salary? How many of them have gotten their bonuses? I have complaints from the military personnel that their bonuses have not been paid. They have not been paid their bonuses. And they are there, giving their life for this nation, giving their lives for Nigeria, giving their life for this country, and you're telling the other people to come and join. Whereas the one that have joined, you have not taken care of them properly. They are not being taken care of. So, guys, this your call for the Eastern people to join the military is for me. Is a forsake winner. Forsake.
My wonderful people, now recently, I want to also show you a video. May you see waiting the Nigeria army do for this particular family. This happened recently. So tell me, is somebody from this family will have that boldness to join you people? Just I want to understand. So if you are from Southeast and you are preparing to join the army, unless you are those who hate your own people and they want to fight against your own people. So watch the video. I am not telling you not to join, no, go and join on your own. But my own is, I want to show them this video for them to watch. Is people from this family is going to join the army, or did those people who don't have home now will join the army, or what? Just watch the video.
It's happening now in Igbo. Being 9th of April 2025, the Nigerian Zoo Army will set all this house on fire. The Nigerian Zoo Army, what have you done to you people? Can you imagine the innocent people house? It's happening now in Igbo. Being 9th of April 2025. Can you imagine? What have you done to you people, Nigerian people? What have you done to you people? Can you imagine? Happening now in Igbo, being 9th of April 2025. The house was set on fire.
Okay, my wonderful people, now you have watched this video. Decide if you are joining the army or you are not joining the army. I bet more gonna share and drop your own opinion in the comment section as it hot. People, don't forget to stay there for Balabajis. As they watch, share the video so that other people go get the information and know how it did happen.